What Mr. Chavis has done to my children, my family, and to me is unforgivable. I trusted him, my girls trusted him, and he betrayed that trust. They are fearful and have anxiety, thinking about what will happen next. Every time a car goes down the road in front of our house, they wonder and are concerned if it is Mr. Chavis. They don't want to go to school. They don't want me to leave to go to work. They have nightmares, anxiety, can't eat, can't sleep, thinking about all that is happening. I ask you, Your Honor, to please deny bond so at least my girls will have some peace knowing that he, Mr. Chavis, is behind bars so that they may feel safe. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, if you please the court. On January the 8th, it was reported that Mr. Chavis possessed a number of pictures. A total of 129 pictures were submitted into evidence. A few of those pictures were actually nude pictures of minor children. And we picked up Mr. Chavis last night, and then talking to Mr. Chavis, he actually confessed to taking the pictures. They would please the court, Your Honor. He confessed to taking the pictures, but denied any sexual encounters with the minor children. Through investigation, it is determined that Mr. Chavis has only taken nude pictures of one of the minor children, who was between the ages of 3 and 5 at the time. We also conducted a search warrant on the house of Mr. Chavis on yesterday and discovered additional pictures and other sexually explicit materials inside of the house. Mr. Chavis does not have a criminal history, but the state would request from the court that his bond be denied due to the circumstances surrounding the case. I feel that Mr. Chavis is a danger to the community, especially minor children, little girls. And if the court doesn't feel that denying the bond is good at this time, at least a high bond, sure.
This is a arrest warrant reading says between the year 2002 and 2003 that this allegedly occurred?
Correct.
And we got this now how?
Mr. Chavis went to TRMC for a medical condition, and when they tested him, they found drugs in his system. And I guess his son was informed, and his son went to his house looking for the drugs. And instead of finding the drugs, he came across the pictures.
Right. Okay.
And he turned them over to him.
And I don't want to put my personal feelings in this. I don't. I'm trying not to. But I am going to defer this case over to General Sessions for them to set bond on it. And the only reason I'm doing so because of the years that it allegedly occurred, they would be way under the age. So I think there still need to be some stuff still need to be looked at from that point, and statute of limitations I don't think runs out on stuff like that, and if that's the case they can go back and do some stuff, and I still wouldn't have the jurisdiction to set bond on it. But just for me today, I am going to deny the bond, Mr. Chavis, today, simply because of the nature of the charges, simply because of the time frame that this occurred, and I don't feel that I would rest tonight knowing that I set bond on something that I probably should not have because of the incident dates. So at this point, the court's going to deny the bond on you for these particular charges. All right? Thank you very much.